So, okay, at this point now, look at your equation. The equation is now 2 open bracket 4 plus 2y close bracket, then plus 5y, then is equal to 17. Okay, so now let's break this down. Your 2 will now multiply. Your 2 will now multiply 4 to give you 8. Don't rush. Multiply 2 by 4 first to give you 8. Now, after you've gotten your 8, you can now multiply 2 by 2y. 2 times 2y is going to give you what? 4y. Aha! Good. So we now have our what? 8 plus 4y plus 5y is equal to what? 17. Simple! You have your 8 plus 4y plus 5y is equal to what? 17. Okay. At this point, just go ahead and add the 4y and the 5y together. If you add 4y and 5y, you're going to get what? 9y. Meanwhile, you're having 8. Yes, you have 8 also with them there. So you have 8 plus 9y is equal to 17. 8 plus 9y is equal to 17. 8 plus 9y is equal to 17. At this point, you can now take 8 to the other side of the equation. I've told you in mathematics what you just do to actually solve this perfectly is to introduce a number that will eliminate the number that is actually disturbing the unknown. In this case, what is the unknown? Y. All right. So the first number we need to eliminate from the side where the unknown is what? Is 8. To eliminate 8 is very, very simple because you have positive 8. So you just have to introduce negative 8. So if you introduce negative 8 on both sides of the equation, this your positive 8 will disappear from this side of the equation. That's why I've told you, I said a basic and a very golden rule when you're solving equations is that whatever you do at one side of the equation must be done at the other side. It is important you don't forget this statement. Whatever you do at one side of the equation must be done at the other side of the equation. Okay. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So it cancels out. And then you're left with what? You're left with 9y on this side of the equation. Now the other side, you have 17 minus 8 because you subtracted 8 from this side. And then you're now going to be left with what? 9. 17 minus 8 will give you 9. So you now have 9y is equal to 9. At this point, I've told you, if you're having something like this in mathematics, whenever you're having a number with a letter equating another number in mathematics at this point, at this level, you divide both sides by the coefficient of that unknown, which in this case is the number with the unknown. The number with the unknown here is 9. 9. So you divide both sides of the equation by 9. So you're now going to be having 9y divided by 9 is equal to 9 over 9. Are we doing the right thing? Yes. Because the golden rule says, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you also have to do that same thing to the other side of the equation. This rule, this golden rule, if you know it, you know everything. Math is simple and easy, but you need to note some rules. There are rules that govern it. If you note these rules, you will do very well in mathematics. So, we divide both sides by 9, and then you are now going to be left with y is equal to 1. Wow! We have now been able to find our y with the help of x. But our x is still unknown. Yes! So let's go now and see if we can save x. Of course. X helped us. So let's go and save x.